Let's start with spring cleaning, a task that sets the foundation for a fresh and clean home. Inside the house, tackle one room at a time. Begin with decluttering. If you haven't used something in the past year, consider if it's something you need to keep, donate, or discard. Once decluttered, focus on deep cleaning. This includes shampooing carpets, cleaning curtains, wiping down walls, and getting into those often neglected nooks and crannies like the tops of the cabinets and behind a large appliance. Pay special attention to your kitchen and bathrooms as these areas accumulate the most grime. Transitioning outside, it's time to focus on the exterior of your home. Start with the gutters. Removing debris and leaves will ensure they're ready for spring showers. Washing the exterior windows and pressure washing your home siding will not only improve your curb appeal, but can also extend the lifespan of your paint and siding.